Well, we still dealing with storm damage. It's been raining. Ken, first time at the house.
Hey, YouTube. My first time at the house since yesterday.
It's been raining for 4 days, 5 days, something like that. We got 11 inches of rain. They calling it a generational rain.
2 tornadoes that came through the county.
3 tornadoes.
3 tornadoes. I wasn't asleep on those.
Yep. Get all the horses up, but it ain't been working good. Ditch has been filling up. There was our little canal. It worked, but then it filled up. Used to go that way. And that's full over there. Ken wouldn't know. This is his first time seeing all this.
I seen it yesterday, but it wasn't like this.
So we done had a cow on the sick and shut in. But with us getting 10 inches of rain, our lots are just muddy. So we're gonna let her out. She pretty much been up about a week. She had a sore knee, but yep. We're gonna get out of there and put her back with the herd. Get those fed, and then yeah, that's the day. Ken said he's sorry for being gone so long.
I'm not sorry because I wasn't gone for long. I just missed 2 days, but you know. Oh, this the cow Steve was talking about, by the way. He said her knee was sore, but I think it's something else. Well, we got 2 different opinions. Hey, 36. We back. You can leave now. Getting that green grass. Oh yeah, she moving good. Uh-huh. Okay. Woo, woo. Come on, 36. The home is that way. Alright, be right back, y'all. So now I'm about to let Honey and April out so they can eat this grass.
Big lazy right here. He don't like to move with the cows. But we're gonna go ahead and start our rotational grazing today. Plan on doing it in about a week, but y'all know I said we had a lot of storms. And of course, you wanna know what the storm did? Tore one of the gates down, so they were in the pasture already. So since they got that taste, that good green grass, we're gonna let them have it. This is one of the ones they got into. Finna go and feed them and then let them have P1. So we're getting the cows up, and the calves just got introduced to creep feeding this year. So they stopped to get them something to eat. Come on out of there. Oh, y'all. And it's a mess over here. He had to go get them something to eat real fast. So on this first field, we're gonna give them 1 bale of hay and then let them have P1. But, yep. Leave home without it, kid. Sun coming out, kind of, sort of, not really. Good boy. Watch this raking technique. I wasted some hay, so I was trying to get it all up under there. So I would feed them a good little dinner. Now we're gonna let them in here to P1. They know when that gate open. Look at them. You trying to clean that feed up, look at you. Go on in there. Let them scavenge out there, the little calves. They gonna come get the hay. They have hay and grass. We'll get the creep feeder down there. But as y'all seen earlier, that creep feeder, we gonna make a mess trying to move it. So they probably won't get it on this paddock, but the next paddock in a couple days, they'll get that. So bingo. Bing bong. Well, hopefully it dries out soon.
Hopefully.
Either way. Thanks for watching, y'all.
Thanks for watching, y'all. I really appreciate it.
Another episode.
Another episode of Ken and Steve. S and K, K and S.
Look at the mud.
Once again, look, thank you for watching us on another episode of
Don't nobody care about what he talking about.
Morris Farms, aka Ken and Steve, S and K, K and S, whatever you want to call it.
It's really the Steve show, but
Steve Show co-host Ken.
I let him get off. All right, see y'all next time.
Y'all.